Hello, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Totoro's bento, or the bento box you see Satsuki making in the movie My Neighbor Totoro. For this bento box, you'll need shishamo, which are a type of smelt fish, Sakura Denbu, white rice, edamame or lima beans, 1 umeboshi, and a bento box. Before I put this box together, I pan-fried the smelts and boiled the edamame. In a previous video, I showed you how to make the Sakura Denbu, so you can check out that link wherever it pops up or in the description box below. Once the ingredients are cooked, all you need to do is put it all together. In a clean and empty bento box, add rice so the bento is half full, because we're positive people here, and we might be bad at measuring. Then even it out as best as you can without squishing the rice. Doesn't have to be too packed. Next, on 1/2, add rice to the top of the box, then add your toppings. And that's it! These ingredients make for a colorful and delicious lunch. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button on the way out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.